How to use Amazon gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually use your Amazon gift card, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if you have an Amazon gift card, what you basically need to do is you need to open up the browser or maybe even the Amazon app, doesn't matter, whatever you use. Then from amazon.com you want to simply tap your profile icon from the top of the screen and you will see your account, where under the your account just tap the see all option over here. Now once you go to the your account option, if you scroll down, many sort of settings are available, but you have to scroll to the payment section. As you can see, payments, and one of the options you'll find here is called manage gift card balance. So all you have to do is tap the manage gift card balance option here, and here the option you'll find is called redeem another gift card. So all you have to do is just tap and redeem another gift card option here. Just make sure to enter your Amazon gift card code or a claim code, and once done you can tap the apply to your balance option, or you can also choose to scan the gift card code to redeem it, and this way you will be able to redeem your Amazon gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.